When we talk about turnaround and recovery, um, are we only talking about businesses that are actually in deep financial crisis?
No, and I like to call it a paradigm shift, right? I think that's a much better depiction of what one may encounter as they're stepping into a situation, or if they're already in a situation where and the other thing too is so many factors can come into play, right? It can be the industry in which one operates that is going through a tremendous shift, or it could be the management team that has basically fallen away from one another and they're not aligned anymore. Or you can have high interest rates. Sound familiar? We're dealing with that today, right? So all of a sudden, when you were servicing your debt and it was a very small piece of your cash flow, it's now a variable and you're paying a lot more today. And so you've got to pay attention to that. So there's just so many factors that one needs to remember or take into account through this paradigm shift, if you will.